its length, so we set it. Next, then it's this one, then we finish. And this is 2 by 2. The cost is 14 shillings. The selling price is 22 shillings. Then this is account. The account is cost of goods sold. Then on which date? That date. Then amount. Then amount, we have this one. This is what we are going to feed on and these ones. You can say it's 5,000. You can go to next. Then you have another one that is 3 by 2. Unit of measure, it's foot. That is 3 by 2. The cost is 32, then the quantity is 3,000. Cost is 20. Selling price is 32. Then on hand is 3,000. Then as of these dates. Then next item, it's 4 by 2. It's 4 by 2 unit foot. Then this is 3. This is 3 by 2. Then the cost is 30. Then the selling price is 42. Then the amount 2,000. The cost is 30. Selling price it's 42. Then amount have 2,000. Then as of this date. Then we can go to next. Next item, we have 6 by 1. Here 6 by 1 unit. It's foot. 6 by 1. And the cost. We have 38 shillings, then 45. Then the amount we have 5,000. We have 38. The 45. Then amount we have 5,000. Then as of this date. Then okay, because we don't have another item, we close it that way. We are done with that. We can move to our questions. We've been told the business had the following transaction during the months of November and December. So we first did cash sales, so we are going to write sales receipts. So we go to customers, move to customers, then enter sales receipts. Choose on date 10. Then the payment method was by cash on this one. So we had 2000 3 by 2, the price of 32. So the item here is 3 by 2. The quantity was 2000, and the amount sold was 32. Okay, we save and no. Yes. Then on this date, on date 13, we had these ones. We paid through check. Then 320 feet 2 by 2 cost 21. 2 by 2 cost was 21, so we change it. Then the quantity was 320. Then we save and new. On this date, December 2nd, we made sales via cash. We sold 6 by 1, and the quantity was 420, and the amount sold was 45 shillings. So we save and new. Yes. Then on page 27, we made these sales through check. And the item that we sold was 4 by 2. The quantity was 650, and the cost was 44 shillings. So it was 44. Then you can save and close. Yes. Let me check them. Let me confirm. Now we are done with them. On these ones we did cash purchases, so we are going to operate checks because we purchased. So we did some purchases, so we bought them, so we are going to pay by writing checks. So go to banking, then write checks using the BKMC2. This was on date. This was 14, just like this. So we have another item on date 6th December. No, on date 14. On date 14, we made 2 purchases. So we add our other item that was 3x2. The quantity was 620, costing 20 shillings per foot. Yes, then we save and new now. Okay, yes. It is not happening here. This is not true. It's not on the list. This is 3x2. Let's see. Three by 2, 620. Yes. Is not let's see if it will pop up. I will add the amount here. Then on December 6, we made this. We purchased this ones 4x2 at 600.